Greetings and welcome once again to Cosmic Vintage Curiosities, a veteran-owned business. I'm the owner, Ed. Here we have another interesting item, a vintage car table lighter commemorating the Maxwell 1915. There's a whole series of these. By Amico, 1964, out of Japan. I believe the consensus is that these are ceramic. I'm not really good sometimes about telling the difference between ceramic and porcelain. I'm trying to learn. But this item here is in pretty good shape overall. It's hand painted clearly, and so there are some some human errors in there. There are also some points where there's just a little wear on the paint. Now I'll go ahead and take out the lighter so you can see it. It looks to be in excellent condition. The way I do it is I choose not to monkey around with these because they're so old. I don't want to risk damaging something that a future owner could have chosen to leave as is. So right now I'm looking at this, and that I believe says Japan. Let me make sure. Yes, that is correct. So right there it says Japan. The other side does not say anything. The bottom doesn't really say anything. And it actually looks in pretty good shape for its age. So let's check the action. Okay. There's no spark. So what would have to happen, in theory, is that you would unscrew this piece in the center here and remove the rod and screw attachment carefully, because there are springs in here, at least one, and pull that off and replace the flint down inside there. Like I said, I prefer not to do that and let a future owner decide for themselves what they're going to do. Maybe one day, if I get skilled enough not to worry about it, I'll try to attempt some repairs myself on that level. But for today, it's enough for you to know that I believe that this should be a fairly easy fix. It looks good. It looks clean. The action is pretty smooth. So there you have it. Anyways, that's the Maxwell 1915, 1964, Amico, Japan. And you actually don't see too many of these come up on eBay, at least not recently, except right now. There happen to be a couple others out there. So I'm guessing someone needs this to finish their collection of these, if anyone is collecting these. I assume someone is. Someone collected this one. So anyhow, I'll put a link to the store page in the description below. Feel free to stop on by if you're interested. And thank you for watching. Have a good one.